Oh. Woo! I got some mail. We haven't done a mail time on the channel in a long time, so I thought, why not open some mail? I got some packages, got 3 of them, and one of them is even from you. Yeah, sent over to the P.O. box, which, thank you so much. If you want to send some mail and possibly see it open on camera, there's information in the description.
I'm just another Chris.
Oh, don't do that. But yeah, we got some mail. It's been a long time. And today I've just got 3 packages I want to show off. I got one from Polaroid, I got one from Box Lunch, and one from you. Or I should say, from one of you. Let's start with the one from Box Lunch. I'm really excited for this. Sort of an impulse buy, but there was a coupon for like 40% off. So I got it. And yeah, it's Stranger Things related. What could it be? Check this out. What? It is a lamp slash bookend. I think it looks like a shelf though. I don't know why it's called a bookend. I thought this was a shelf. Maybe my excitement is premature. Like I thought it was a shelf you hung on the wall. Well, there is screws with anchors, so maybe you can mount it to the wall. Wow, the quality of this is really nice. Yes, it has mounting brackets on the back. It is a Palace arcade, kind of like the top of the arcade cabinet. It lights up, and I thought it would hang on the wall. I could put some, like, I don't know, maybe some Polaroid, like, Stranger Things photos on it or something. I don't know. How cool is that? There's a USB-C port on the side and a button to turn this thing on and off. Nice. Super long USB-C cable, too. They're normally so short. This is going to be great. Plugged in. There's power. Watch this. Ooh, it's hard to see on camera. This lights up. Why is this called a bookend? It can't actually sit on a shelf. It has a built-in battery. I thought you had to leave it plugged in. Where's the button? Look at that. Oh, what? Okay, this thing got way cooler. That's awesome. All right, next up, the one that you're probably here for. The Polaroid package. I am actually really excited for this stuff. When I saw this be teased, I got really excited. A pack of the white frame I-type film. I was really excited that Polaroid had this in stock. Half joke, it's a half joke. Polaroid doesn't have film for sale really, like at all on their website. They had some I-type and that was basically it. Other than the brand new release of the Thrasher film, which is I-type film. This stuff looked really cool. I really love the box art. It'd be cool if these came with like stickers on the inside. That would be a nice touch, Polaroid. But I got 3 packs of this stuff, and sadly, this was full-blown 600 film priced. This was like $22.99 a pack, and it's I-type, and no discounts whatsoever for bundles. Polaroid, what's going on? Are those tariffs hitting pretty hard? Production date on this is July 2025. Sometimes I've gotten film from them with brand new releases. I think a good example of that was the Reclaimed Blue film, I think. Yeah, when I got it, it was 6 months old, and I ordered it the day of the release. And Polaroid claims that you'll have your best results within that first year. So they send you film that was technically only good for another 6 months. They've done that multiple times. Even just regular film. Actually, I'm just curious. Let's see what this is. Freshest film I've seen. This is August 2025. It's not even a month old. This is the freshest of fresh. I will be shooting this immediately. Next week, actually, I will be in Seattle, but I'm going to shoot this while I'm there, along with maybe a pack of this, because Seattle, I think, would be a good spot to shoot some of this Thrasher film. I don't have any skate friends nearby to go shoot this, because that would be awesome. But I just love these frames. I just think it's so fun. And I absolutely hate that Polaroid doesn't have frames like this just available in general. Not branded Thrasher, but like do a graffiti line of special frames. Give us more frames, something that's not just standard white, and don't make it a special release and charge full price. More, actually. This is more than regular film. I mean, I get they had to pay the branding costs or whatever, but even when they put out the Stranger Things I-type film back in the day, even the Disney film, that stuff was regular priced. Like $16.99, I think it was. So that's kind of a bummer, but I am really excited to shoot this. So stay tuned for that video where I actually you know, properly shoot this stuff. This is just more of a, hey, look, it exists. I think it's still available on the website. So if you didn't know about it, or if you were thinking about getting it, maybe just snatch up a couple boxes, throw it in the fridge. I do know that these types of frames do tend to go up in value pretty quickly, actually, because they're small batches. All right, last one up, and that's from you. But I decided to open it in my car the moment I got it from my P.O. box. So let's roll that footage. This went to my P.O. box. Half opened something up, and I feel like I need to record this. I usually do it on camera, but I got this where it says 8 short films on it and the notes. So let's see what it's about. Hello, I'm a DIY amateur filmmaker. I want to share these short films with you. They're strange, quiet, creepy, and made for a thrill. Made for those who believe in the power of art. Feel free to keep this DVD for your collection. Thank you. No name. Oh, I guess it's on here. Abraham Corona from Kansas City. Not really a short film YouTube channel. I'll be honest, I'm a little scared to play this. Who knows what's on it? Maybe we'll do a watch of this for members only. Maybe I'll do like a little stream, a live stream of it. We'll see. Yeah, I still do not know what is on that DVD. Could be a virus, could be adult content for all I know. I have no idea. But I thought about doing a watch party of it, maybe on Patreon. I'm still determining that. Would you want to see that? Would you want to watch it? Maybe do a live stream. Heck, that'd be kind of fun. But I don't know what's on it. That is also the scary part. It could not be. It could be bad. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Mail Time. See you in the next one. But until then, get out there, make some art.